everyone. Welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Next question from To My Countrymen. Frame question to get underlined word as an answer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 4 ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? A, B and C. 3 sentences are given. You have to frame questions such that you have to get the answer as underlined word. For example, see here, first one. Ramya helped the poor always. Ramya helped the poor always. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಮ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಮ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರಮ್ಯ helped the poor always. How will you frame the question here? Who helped the poor always? Ramya helped the poor always. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಮ್ಯ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. B. He was awarded for his literature works. His literature works ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He was awarded for what? Why was he awarded? He was awarded for his literature works. Okay. Third one. Independence Day celebrate on 15th August in India. Independence Day celebrated on 15th August in India. So 15th August ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Independence Day celebrated on 15th August. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 15th August ಯಾವಾಗ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. When do we celebrate Independence Day? Okay. Thank you.